wanted to take a moment and show you why we do our own deburring here and why there's a market for a deburring machine. So when we make these parts, we do a lot of in-machine deburring just like everybody else does, right? So we'll go through here and we'll machine this edge with a chamfer tool. But the problem is when we machine that edge with the chamfer tool creates two sharp edges. So if you feel that edge, it's sharp on both ends of the chamfer that we create. So we still have a problem where a technician has to go in with Scotch-Brite and deburr this. So we don't want that abrasive to get into our CNC machines, because if that abrasive gets into our CNC machines, meaning this Herco or this feeler or this Akiri, that abrasive gets down into the ways and slides, despite how good their ways and slides are, and it wears the machine out. So that's where the market is for our deburring. For example, we would do that to this part. For example, on these little firearms parts, we need to deburr all of this. We don't want to do that in this machine. Our machine is way more valuable making parts than it is deburring these parts. So we might be inclined to go put this in a vibe, but if we put this into a vibe, it deburrs the entire part. What if we don't want the entire part deburred? Now we have to mask something. So that's where our deburring machine works, is we're able to deburr certain features called focus deburring, and we don't have to mask the part. So I hope that helps you better understand why we make a deburring machine, and we also do in CNC machine deburring.